Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marica Silubindino, 35 years old, single, and I am a high school graduate in 2004. I decided to work in Hong Kong because to help my family for financial needs and support my siblings for schooling. My working experience in Philippines, I am an all-around housemaid, babysitter for 3 years old baby girl. When she's parents working, the baby is sleeping with me, play with her, feeding with her, drop to school and pick up. When she's baby sleeping, I'll do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry, and sometimes go to the supermarket. To my future employer, if you can hire me, if you can trust me everything, because I am the kind of person, long patient, understanding, especially the elderly and children, and follow the whole rules of my employer in taking care of your child. I dedicated to my work. Thank you very much, Ma'am and Sir. God bless.